Hey guys, I am Subha and today I have a great news for you. I have recently created Amazon KDP Niche and Keyword Insider, a brand new subscription product on Camroad. And the good thing is you will be getting 10 low competition niche ideas or keyword ideas every single month for a very low monthly price. Currently it is priced on $4.99. Let me show you what you will be getting inside this KDP Niche and Keyword Insider. What you get every month: 10 fresh KDP niche and keyword ideas with decent demand, no competition opportunities to help you rank, Amazon search volume and BSR, cover and interior design ideas, no trademark or copyright risk keyword, but always double check. Currently it is priced $4.99 per month and the price will rise to $9.99 and then $19.99 per month. Currently the introductory price is $4.99 per month. Let me show you what's included. So inside this monthly subscription you will be getting this Google Sheet every single month, which will show you the type of niche. Then it will show you the primary keyword with Amazon search results. You can see very low number of Amazon search results. Then is Amazon search volume. Every keyword has very good demand. Then I will also give you Google search volume for each keyword. You can see 20 searches per month, 720, over 1000, over 12,000. So a lot of high demand keywords, and you will also be seeing the average Amazon BSR to see how much you can potentially earn in that specific niche. So that is really good subscription for those people who don't have tools or don't have time to do manual keyword and niche research for their KDP low content and medium content books. You will also be getting cover and design ideas for every primary keyword or niche idea. This is very good opportunity for those people on very tight budget and can't afford premium tools. Also, that could be a really good subscription plan for those people who are really busy and don't have time to do manual keyword and niche research. So check out the link in the description below and subscribe to this KDP Niche and Keyword Insider before the price goes to $9.99 per month. Currently it is $4.99 per month, and if you subscribe to quarterly it would be $12.99 every 3 months. So check out the link in the description below and see you in the next video.